मेरी लुक अभी आप देखिए फिल्म के अंदर दिखेगा। धूम में हम लोग नहीं कर रहे साथ में, धूम
नहीं कर रहे ना?
आई विश, बट वी विल डू अ फिल्म टुगेदर सून, या होपफुली।
My favorite piece is right here.
Suzanne has got great taste.
I'm really impressed by Suzanne.
I really appreciate Hrithik as an actor. A perfect wife who is a perfect designer.
It's a wonderful shop. It's a wonderful shop. The shop is called the Charcoal Project और बहुत ही अच्छी डिज़ाइंस की चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पर. And I'm really impressed by Suzanne and her creativity and her design sense. It's really wonderful. Really wonderful.
I think the Charcoal Project is one of the best stores in the world, not just India. You have to go in and
I've just reached, so I've not yet seen it. I think it takes a great amount of research and creativity to do something like this. And we don't have enough stores like this.
I really appreciate Hrithik as an actor and as a person. I think he's a great guy. And I know Suzanne also for the same reasons. And I'm very happy to be here. Looks like a beautiful store. I've heard so much about it. I'm here to wish them all the best and to check out the place.
Best store I've seen. I think अभी finally घर के लिए अगर कुछ अच्छी चीजें खरीदनी है तो this is the place to come. Everybody should come to the Charcoal Factory. Suzanne's done a fantastic job and is absolutely genius.
सुज़ैन को बचपन से जानता हूँ और यही उनका सपना रहा है हमेशा से. So I'm very happy to see it come alive for her.
3 साल से ये इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में सोच रही हैं और काम कर रही हैं और ये इनका एक ड्रीम रहा है और it's great to see that she's finally fulfilled and पिछले 1-2 हफ्ते से हम बात कर रहे हैं. She's been very happy.
I'm really looking forward to it. I think Suzanne has got great taste. She's one of my closest friends from the past 10-11 years. So I just know it's going to be wonderful and I'm really excited for her.
Suzanne's like a sister to me. She's done my home, she's done our home. She's converted it from a house into a home. So I just wish her all the very best and only the very best for her, really.
Everything is so beautiful. I'm so proud of her. I can't tell you, explain.
I've been looking forward to it because I've just heard so many things and I think she's so talented and like a lovely girl. So just here to support.
USP of the store, what can I say? 15 years of creative visualization by Suzanne. When I met her 15 years ago, she told me she had this dream. And this is the manifestation of it.
When you burn charcoal, you can give life and it turns anything into, it gives out heat. So to me, when I take on a project or a site, I want to give it heat, I want to give it life and create it into the charcoal project. So that's how I make it glow.
My favorite piece is right here. They're all so exquisite. I don't know how, it's like magic for me. In Doom 3, I know, not so far.
धूम में हम लोग नहीं कर रहे साथ में, धूम
नहीं कर रहे ना?
धूम में ऋतिक, you're in Doom 3 नहीं.
I should be.
I wish, but we will do a film together soon, yeah, hopefully.
अग्निपथ की शूटिंग कहाँ तक चल रही है और क्या आपका लुक फाइनलाइज हो चुका है उस फिल्म के लिए?
Yes, the look is finalized और शूटिंग शुरू होने वाली है 4 को. On the 4th of next month.
मेरी लुक अभी आप देखिए फिल्म के अंदर दिखेगा.
I hope it's a good budget. टैक्स कम कर दें बस बहुत बड़ी बात होगी और आई थिंक आम जनता के लिए भी दे शुड नॉट बी इंक्रीजिंग प्राइस ऑफ commodities.
यार ये सड़कें ठीक हो जाएं बस, that's वो I'll be very happy with it.
I hope it's a gender sensitive budget. I hope there's more for women. I hope there's more for the and I hope taxes ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़े. Borrowings पे ज़्यादा interest नहीं हो.
I think as an ordinary citizen, the first thing that you think of is कि tax कम होना चाहिए. I think that's what we all hope for. And secondly, I think the industry contributes a lot, to the exchequer, and I think it'll be really nice if they provide sops to the industry as well.
I'm wishing for the team to win, and I think we're doing really well. So I think the cricket players are taking care of the field.
I just left a really brilliant match, India-England, dying to watch it. Sachin is really doing well, so really looking forward to India taking home the World Cup, keeping the World Cup here.
बहुत मजा आया, सचिन ने सेंचुरी मारी, बहुत मजा आया उनकी सेंचुरी देखते हुए. वीरेंद्र सहवाग ने बहुत बढ़िया खेला था, युवराज अच्छे फॉर्म में थे, तो बहुत मजा आया.
I've been kind of seeing it a lot. We just came back from Dhaka for a show, and yesterday, of course, was the National Games closing ceremony. So I'm kind of getting a sense of it, and obviously it's happening in Bangladesh. So I think it's exciting, and I think everyone's supporting.